The preceding technology of building UI applications was Windows Forms. In short, Windows Forms is an old technology which doesn't meet current needs of users. Its rendering system is based on GDI, stands for Graphics Device Interface, and its successor, GDI+. GDI was introduced in 1985, and unfortunately it lacks the support of hardware acceleration and it's hard to use for hardware animation. Windows Forms, as distinct from WPF, unable to harness the power of modern graphics cards. And this is not a full list of Windows Forms flaws in comparison to WPF. Rather than Windows Forms, WPF is based on DirectX, so it can use all the new features of graphics cards as long as DirectX is moving forward. WPF is the solution for the whole stack of problems related to building rich UI with animations, 2D, 3D graphics, and complex compositions. Let's consider WPF benefits. One technology for everything. WPF is an integrated technology for UI applications building, no matter what you need to create. Complex UI elements, composition, complex animation, or 3D graphics, you can rely on WPF. Resolution independence. The problem of Windows Forms, though in some cases it can be also a benefit, is that it is based on raster graphics. GDI draws raster graphics images. On the contrary, WPF extensively uses vector graphics. The advantage of vector graphics over raster graphics comprised in the fact that vector-based images can be resized freely without any loss of image quality. That's why WPF apps look well on screens of any size. Separation of programming and designing concerns. WPF allows designers and programmers to do their own job. Designers to design, programmers to program. Although, still very often programmers by their own bring into life designers' models. Despite of that, this process became much less painful with introducing WPF. Infinite possibilities of customization. Very soon you'll get acquainted with the concept of lookless controls, the approach to custom controls development in WPF based on templates and gives you almost unlimited abilities for controls customization. Simplicity of styling. WPF makes controls styling trivial, much more powerful and simpler than with CSS in web design. Styles empowered by WPF resource system allow you to create skins for your applications like by the wave of a magic wand. It's impossible to list all the advantages WPF is empowered by, so we will stop at this point. Let's look at the components from which WPF is comprised of and built upon.